Good day everyone. We are students from the course Supply Chain Management in the Hospitality Industry. This is our midterm output. Our topic is demand forecasting in the hospitality industry. And for this project, we had the opportunity to interview a professional working in the hospitality field.
The goal of our interview is to understand how hospitality establishments plan ahead, how they predict guest demand, manage resources, and make sure they can meet customer expectations no matter the situation.
Today we are excited. We are being joined by Chef George. And Chef, thank you for your time. We really appreciate you. So for our interview, Chef, for our first question, can you tell us a little about your job and what a typical workday looks like for you?
Okay, so hello everyone, my name is Chef Jopet Concordia. Currently, I'm working in Lyceum of the Philippines, Manila as a pastry instructor. But before, I worked in Vikings Commissary and I'm the one in charge in making all the desserts to be delivered in all the branches. And after that, I also worked in Carnival Cruise Line as a dessert.
Well, that's great to hear, Chef. Now for our second question, Chef, our topic is about demand forecasting. In your department, how do you usually prepare when you know the hotel will be busy? Like during holidays, events, Valentine's, or especially on weekends?
For me, to answer your question, demand forecasting is very important tool in predicting how much or how many the quantity of products as a pastry chef, the quantity of pastries I will do in a week, in a day, or even
So it's quite busy, right,
Yes.
Chef? Okay, for our third question, Chef, how do you and your team know in advance if there will be more guests than usual? Do you receive any types of updates or forecasts from management?
Yes, the management sent us the data. As what I said, demand forecasting is very important. That's why we use data, our weekly sales, our daily sales, and also all the reports.
So do they use like previous data from last year or decades ago, Chef?
Yes.
Oh, okay, Chef. Now for our fourth question, what challenges do you usually face when guest demand suddenly changes? For example, when there are last-minute cancellation or there's more guests than expected.
So to answer your question, so there's an increase or decrease in the demand. So when there's an increase, meaning your demand is increasing. So you must have a backup plan. One of the backup plan, if there's an increase in demand, is to have extra ingredients, and you should prepare a easy recipe to make.
For the guests.
Yes, and for the decrease, if there's a decrease in demand forecasting, make sure that you have, please as a pastry chef, I make pastries with longer shelf life.
For our big question, how important is communication between departments when planning for guest demand? For example, between front office, housekeeping, and F&B department.
So in kitchen operation, communication is very, very important because it serves as a backbone to ensure the efficiency, the safety, and the quality of the products.
For number 6, during the pandemic, how did demand forecasting change in your work area? For example, were there new safety rules or adjustment in staffing?
So during pandemic, there's a very big change in demand forecasting because there's less in prediction. So the restaurant cannot predict the demand daily. So they need to use the daily or real-time data for their daily operations.
Do you use any tools, reports, or system to help plan for busy days or slow days, or is it mostly based on experience and coordination?
To answer your question, for us, we use data. Data is very important in kitchen operations. We use the data, the sales, the sales, the weekly sales, the monthly sales, and even the yearly sales, and also the daily sales.
Okay, for the last question, number 8. Lastly, what advice would you give to the hospitality students like us being prepared and adaptable in
wisdom and knowledge that they'll give it upon us. And for the viewers, hopefully that they will pick up something from the beautiful and magnificent speech and answers that Chef will give upon us. Welcome. Thank you.
Langit kayo!
From this interview, we realized that forecasting isn't just about numbers. It's about understanding people, trends, and how the market changes. We also learned that the forecasting uses a mix of data, experience, and teamwork to make the operations run smoothly and meet guest expectations.
This experience made us appreciate how important forecasting is in the hospitality industry. It helps prevent waste, improving planning, and ensure guests always receive quality service.
Once again, we'd like to thank Chef George for sharing your time and insights with us. Thank you for watching.